A warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I am going to show you how apricots or tser or khubani are cooked in Wazwan. This video has been made with the help of wazas or local chefs in Kashmir. Apricots or tser are cooked with meat also in Wazwan. So let's get started. In a pan, they have heated up few tablespoons of oil and added a few bay leaves, a few cloves, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 green cardamoms, 1 black cardamom pod, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. They will mix it and let it fry. And then they have added 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and then they will let it fry properly. Wazwan is cooked on slow burning wood. Here you can see they have kept less flame, and they will fry it properly. Once it's fried, they will be adding few ladles of mutton stock. There's enormous amount of mutton stock available in Wazwan because most of the dishes are non-veg. Then they will be adding apricots. Here around 200 grams of apricots they have used. 1 pack of apricots, and then they will let it cook, and they will keep it on flame till it's cooked properly. They will be stirring it in between sometimes, and then they will be adding dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Here you can see, and they will check the salt also, and they will add salt. Salt you can adjust according to your taste. This apricot dish is very less gravy, so they will keep it on flame till this gravy is absorbed, and they will be adding some more mutton stock so that the apricots become little tender and they get the taste of gravy. They will keep cooking it till gravy is absorbed and oil is visible on the surface. So here now they have dished it out for the purpose of this video and garnished it with some green chilies and melon seeds. Give it a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.